New iPhone. It's waiting for you.
Here we go again.
It's September 12th, 2023, and you are watching Heap Diggers, so Apple's revolutionary iBrick is here to change your life. So after a wholesome
redesigning, virtualizing,
they decided to launch the same design as the iPhone 14.
Throw it away.
A total of 4 iPhone 15 models in the same sizes as the iPhone 14 models, including 2 6.1-inch iPhones and 2 6.7-inch iPhones.
Not just like the rest of you. I'm stronger. I'm smarter. I'm better. I am better.
Finally, Apple switched to USB-C on the iPhone 15 due to the EU's Common Charging Port Directive. Dynamic Island is available for the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, in addition to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. That means Apple will be doing away with the notch that it has used since the iPhone X for the flagship iPhone lineup for a sleeker, less intrusive design. So, if we talk about processor, Apple used Qualcomm modem chips for the new devices.
Why, Dada, why?
This is business.
This is my sweat.
I know, but I did business.
Shut up! Shut up!
This is business.
As its own modem chips that are in development aren't quite ready, and the new UWB chips for integration with the Vision Pro headset are added. The standard iPhone 15 models will get an upgrade to the A16 chip that was in the iPhone 14 Pro models, while the iPhone 15 Pro models will use faster and more efficient 3nm A17 chips. And the biggest update in the history we have is they renamed the iPhone 15 Pro Max to iPhone 15 Ultra. So, if we talk about color availability, then we have black, white, a coral shade that's a cross between pink and orange, blue and green or yellow.
So many colors, so much power!
So far, if we talk about design, it looks like the iPhone 15 Pro model has some minor design updates, with Apple having introduced notably thinner, curved bezels and a new titanium material for the chassis that has replaced the stainless steel. Apple also redesigned the mute button that would actually serve as an action button similar to the action button on the Apple Watch Ultra. The so-called action button will replace the current mute switch, but it will be able to do more than just mute the iPhone. Users could be able to set multiple functions, from turning on the flashlight to activating shortcuts. So if we talk about weight and thickness, there is a massive improvement in Pro models. iPhone 15 Pro is 8.25 millimeters thick and weighs 188 grams as compared to the iPhone 14 Pro, which is 206 grams. Similarly, iPhone 15 is 7.8 millimeters thick and weighs 171 grams as compared to the iPhone 14, which is 172 grams, so there is no significant improvement here.
Sam, you've proven to be a big disappointment to me.
Oh, come on, man. Don't.
So, if we talk about pricing, the iPhone 15 Pro will start at $999 for the 128GB base model and go up to $1,599 for the 1TB model. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will start at $1,099 for the 128GB base model and go up to $1,699 for the 1TB model. If you enjoy this video, then like, subscribe, and share otherwise.
I warn you, I'll break your heart.